Well, ladies and gentlemen, we move on to lesson 4.8, multiplying simple negative fractions. Well, just like the last lesson, here there's only one rule. Multiply the numbers straight across. The only thing you have to do afterward is do the whole trick of counting the number of negatives you see. If the number of negatives is even, that means that you have a positive answer, and if the number of negatives is odd, that means that you have a negative answer. Let's see how easy this is. So for the first one, the first thing I'm going to do, I just want to multiply. So I'm focusing on the numbers. On the top, I have 7 times 2, so that's going to give me 14. On the bottom, 11 times 3, and that's going to give me 33. Perfect. Okay, now I count the negative signs. I have 1, 2, 3 negative signs. 3 is an odd number, so my answer will be negative. Done. Moving on. Here, all right, let me just multiply the numbers. On the top, I have 8 times 2. 8 times 2 giving me 16. And then on the bottom, 9 times 5. 9 times 5 should give me 45. Great, excellent. How many negative signs? I have 1, 2 negative signs. 2 is an even number, so my answer will be positive. Boom, done. Moving on. Here, okay, well I got 4 times 3, that's going to be 12. And then on the bottom, 5 times 9 again, so that's going to be 45. Perfect, wonderful. Okay, how many negative signs? I see 1 negative sign. 1 is an odd number, so my answer will be negative. Boom, moving on. By the way, if you want to know how to write this in the computer, it would literally just be negative 12/45. Okay, moving on. So here we have, let's do the numbers. 5 times 8 gives me 40, and then 6 times 11, 66. Can I simplify? Yes. Am I requiring you to? No. Okay, 1 negative sign only. So 1 is an odd number. The answer is going to be negative. For these, I encourage you to pause the video and try and work it out on your own. It's actually pretty simple. Okay, let's go. So for question A, 4 times 2 is 8. And then I have 9 times 7. 9 times 7 will be 63. Good. Now I count the negative signs. I have 1 and 2. 2 is an even number, so my answer is going to be positive. Boom, I'm done. Okay, next one. On to B. 5 times 5 is 25. And then 6 times 6 is 36. Now let me count all those negative signs. So I have 1, 2, 3 negative signs. No matter where they are, I count them. 3 is an odd number, so my answer will be negative. Negative 25 over 36. On to the next one. So for C, 7 times 6 is 42. And then 8 times 7 is 56. Great. Now I count the negative signs. I have 1, 2, 3. 3 is an odd number, so my answer is negative. Negative 42 over 56. And last one, 4 times 6, 24. 3 times 10, 30. You don't have to simplify. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 negative signs. That's a lot, but 6 is an even number. Even means my answer is positive. Boom, you're done.